Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today a video on a BMW guys, how to test your tank breather valve, also known as purge valve. Okay, that's the one we're talking about right here. If you get a code P0440, most likely you have a bad tank breather valve. This is the one right here. It's very simple device. What happens is it only has one valve, two wires, and when computer sends signal, it opens the valve so the fumes can go to the engine and burn the fumes. So now how to test that thing? If you have a voltmeter, okay, right here, you need to put it on ohms, okay, like that. And now you need to have about 27 to 28, 29. Okay, in our case 28.1 resistance, okay, on the, you can see on the purge valve, which is great. In our case, this thing functions great. So now let's go and test one that is not good. And I'm gonna show you what it's going to indicate. Okay, this is another BMW. The purge valve is there. We haven't removed it, but we're going to test it now and see what we get, guys. Okay, and if you have a high number, higher than 28, usually 29, you have a bad valve. Okay, we still don't have good connection. Okay, right there. Oh, we lost it for a second. It's hard to get to it. No. Almost. Okay, we got a good one now. 191. As you can see, a little bit we lost it again, but it jumps around 190. Okay, right there. So this is short, guys. If you have a high value number, it's a done deal. So you need to replace the purge valve. They're relatively inexpensive and real easy to replace. So just a video, guys, to show you how to do the testing, so you know it's the valve itself and not something else. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.